Hello my fellow YouTubers. So I got my hands on a Nokia 3.1 released in May 2018 and it has some decent specs. A 5.2 inches display with a resolution of 720 with 1440 pixels at an 18 by 9 ratio, 1.5 octa-core CPU, 13 megapixels for the rear camera and 8 megapixels for the front one. A battery more than decent, I might say, nearly 3000 milliamps, and last but not least it comes with Android Oreo. Okay, let's check the box. Pretty light. We got the SIM key. Who checks the manual anymore? No one. So we have the charger, headphones, and yes, they come with a 3.5 jack. This isn't enough, seems cheapy though. Okay, back to the bag. USB cable, long enough. Let's get back to the phone. It really feels nice. It has these smooth aluminum edges. We have the micro USB at the bottom, the mic, and we have the speaker. At the top we got the front camera, proximity sensor, Nokia logo. On the back side the rear camera, again Nokia. Android One. Okay, let's turn it on. I'm gonna speed it up a bit. On the welcome screen we got Android One, followed by the Nokia logo. I will fast forward a bit. The phone comes with IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen protected by Gorilla Glass. So there are two versions of this phone. One has 32 GB of storage and 3 GB for the memory. And the second choice is 16 GB for the storage and 2 GB for the memory. I have the second one with 16 GB and 2 for the RAM. And as you can see, half of that storage is used by the phone's operating system. But you can add a micro SD card up to 256. The animation runs flawless, but then again, it's a brand new phone. The Nokia 3.1 has a 13 megapixel for its main camera, a single LED flash. The interface is quite simple, shutter release at the bottom, a switch to video mode next to it, and a shortcut to the gallery on the other side.
So, scrolls are the bad guys. And you're a Kree, a race of noble warriors.
Heroes. Noble warrior heroes. Your life began the day it nearly ended. We found you. With no memory, we made you one of us. So you could live longer, stronger, superior. You were reborn. I keep having these memories. Something in my
Well, that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button.